pesa minimum bompa ya numri Inyankopon yeda wase ena numri wo doba Yesu timu so woni munyam wo se de ayo open anam tumi ne honhom so boy wade yeda wase kwaye ntisa wabu ya ma yesa yemfo asembra na tuta wo be sewi ase eno hu dawro na asembra mebo tibi bompa yesre wadi mu adom se doyi mu dawro be ko bibi abrabo mu se de be ya abrabo no be dan ya be tiwi Yesu adi dudu obonsam nam wo musu di bone wo wiase ya wo maso asi efa temu oja eba no wodam bo so ebe fire so pese wo bie di podani wo hunu jani wia obi nkase wo nwane ne krankwa mesre so mobro hunu be kase na abie wo bibia akoma mama nkonim dia ye wo bibia so tuma eruade me da wase anwumre se otiene o doba Yesu Kristo di mu nti amen ye da onyankopon celebrate be pese me no be hwe asem bi wo Matthew asempa etia duonu nsia chemu aduonu nan Matthew chapter 26 verse 24 was oni papa no eko so de watchre ne hono de na anso oni pa obeyi oni papa na ma no onue so wango sa oni pa no enka eye ma no esa me no hwense mfua bi Yesu di tu Judas Iscariot ni ebere bi dui na abrabo mu edi sikasem bi ti Judas ya na bi ni so bapu Yesu papa na mam ewutie me ya bia na sa no aye wadwe se tibia bia wakom nti de obi bia ye wo edi se de tibia bia wakom bia yare an se haw bi anda sa sisie bi obi asisi wo ana sa de eman ni mu din aye ana sa de niema bi si koso abrabo mfa na ware mu nsam nti bia obotrim po sa won sum Yesu bia pesa be kama uti asese enket uba urade nche obetima hu mobo di asem ni ne se oba pu Yesu pa wa brabom de mama uba bre di asem eno kni ye pa edru bi Judas ne chef Yesu ne chef policial ya Judas kan na Yesu hwehwe mu no hu se oba ba Judas no pe kwa bia fa so Yesu ama sikati enti ofamu a Yesu hu na tene a odete ho ano kache suafo se mumu ba ko beyi biama se de ma mu fi ho anasa bonte so wa mu tie me winti obi ayi Yesu ama no winti wisie wura bi ya kusa e de agu se pepe bi so winti obi tumi sum Yesu obi pese opo Yesu because of tibia bi akomunti Yesu kato suafo di anu pese media be ko se de wo kire wo me hono de e be ya maduma mawie matu be hon pan mawiase am ya bob ya ko boba sanu ya bi ko wu ama da sama enti di obagima di odan kwa na di obapo be ni wonue di atibia bi ana sikasem ana ware ana subai binti wonde Yesu be sinche wa abrabo no wonue sosani pan ya wona mawiase mpo enkaye di asem ni di na chesa abrabo we ba oti wo wiase ha se woni Yesu abrabo mo according to baby abekinka yi onyankopon hu samfa so ni so se de utina bia sitie bia mo bi abeka sa de na so focus bi wo hene bi wo tsiame bi konti hene anami ampi anami minister anami bi president anase jina bia bi woyi atenti na bible no ka tira ni se ma yi Yesu Kristo enia ene ma mawiase mpankaye papa me kira wa wiye bremu ni pasa o pa wiase o mu ne se wonim Yesu wan fa Yesu so kra no ade nkwa bonia ti obewu maaye e jaman krono nyinseyi go atutu sem ene wiase no ni pa yen control o mo emma o mu ti member free emma o mu yon ko mansem aware saye oba bia kwaji obi kuru onfa ho oda so ti asori dem oba bema bia kwaji obi onfa ho oda so ya deke asori bi mu Yesu si ya make the plane trade passe so oba wiase no na se wantimi ansom na was it die asem ni yo Matthew chapter 26 verse 24 was what the papa de koso de watwe won ho no di na so de obeyi wodi papa na ma no onue na so ya nwu sa wodi papa na mawiase mpo a enkaye sanu bia no ya nwu a mawiase mpo a enkaye no je se Yesu wodi di watebo wu achi ne papa bebre ti asem ni se ni papa oba wiase wem na se wonnim Yesu abrabodum wantimi ansaka wemfidi do Yesu dia ma o Chemfi dudu a Yesu Kristo di ama onana. Chemfi a Yesu Kristo di ama ampi. Na bisi uko politics nti wantimi ansakra wadwen. Yesu si awie ya no be bra pa. No se say di papa ena manne a woko fam woni wu achinti no wa mawiase mpankaye. Ti asem ni enti so obi ba wiase wom na so wantimi ansakra na wadwen. Ni wo wu a Yesu hu ni se ne hu ni mfaso. Wiase oba ya no abebra gu. Kukukuku ha ni di baba ye fanto ho akirawo. Ne be bia metaka. Kwa you buy me to be Ghana, papa it will control Ghana in terms of finance. What it will control and now go. Bravo back prayer, but you see, I saw the laptops be grandpa students. What the laptops are best school for. Bravo prayer in the fact no to and a home for so one. Well, Jado Hoko Sabri. Now, bravo the buy and so Boko ya bravo, where you Christian. Neso ba yo be wia o mani sika so o bu nsabtim ti asemi de se ni pawu bra wo bre wo wia se we nyina kwa me nkroma nko na do me pa na me kacha na kitu be ba wia se be borege bankrofo bu pu mu what kam no bi sutu no huye Michael Jackson be bo enoma ho do to ne pa platform so ene o hifa se nananu mu tie me anwumre ya me sramo sabi ebi akonya wote so no eyeda na woto so yibu anana na woto so mietsa ni ebusa ho se no na odi kan no na wo yi nipa bia be bre wiase ko se wiase a wati mi ansakra wati ne so wuwa papa anana me wutie me Yesu se wa ma wiase mpake titi asem ni de Judas sikanti wa Yesu ama usum Yesu kama sikanti wantimi ansum Yesu waja sori ato ho e de ayi sikapre gide wie ye ama me kika me percent aye no so titemu akukudu mu no so na he Judas na wie se sikana nti opu Yesu no otimi yi wan kan na mpoto kokko no ya papa ebra bi ba bedru nsa be kan bubu na be chesikina bodi ayi wa ti ya na kan yi di enti a wontimi nsum Yesu no be jani na wasa so we so e kasa se ne mani apre because bi dim dia awurade abie so akira bi ati nam na me pass ampan ho dawu wi ase de ba na ye hu pa e ja so e ba wi ase no wa person ye Yankopɔn din fiire ne pa o bodawu no wa bodawu 120 years aso di ntini pamfa the Bible says sure ba e be say wo mu nyina e say wo mu nyina ahemfo achemefo ampifo ministers wa emaya mrante apemfo Yankopɔn hu ombo. The day of judgment is coming. Na ye boda wo de kire obi ase atem wo dura God is not going to spare anyone. Ti asem ni di kola to fi wati ti anofo anu Yankopɔn hu ombo. No wa boda wo ya nakasi wo se obi anewuram na dia ba na hu amanfo anko hwe emebe abebe free forest eko wura no wadaka na ampiti air condition kan no okobo nsamje masa sa de koso kan na hawo zade wura ye bo minim se bebre nyaso tie because of politics odini ema bi achi oni adaje manyame asam mi suma san ko for papa na Yesu Kristo se we mi dia me ye madwuma ko na de obeyi mi am no onue se wa ma wiase pa nkeye position se kuta wiase ran ube cha do hako na mi busa so wo atiri no kwai ti asam ni yo wo atiri no kwai uko Yohane asampati num nchemu aduonu ngotwe aduonu nkoro ha wo se edo de pa na adu se wona wo da kamera mu nyina I'm telling you everyone dead is going to rise wona wo da kapam korma why wo ma wo karibo nchaka nom da se be jamra nom lucky dube nom and conform wo yeni president president Mills oba sorry wo mo da kamera mu na ba ti Yesu Kristo ne oba sorry na wo mo ya papa e be ko enkwa wu sorry atem wo papa kronkron ye wu sorry na wo mo ba ye boni o ti wu ye no e be ko ejam atem wo wu sorry the Daniel chapter 4 verse 3 will repeat the same thing ni papa sorry da to hu achi na mi busa o se papa o te konya so wa cha boso wo se won sakra se na da ji wani kabuso a wo be pie hifa Abraka said, you put in a beer or Becca. Did you used to catch the Judas Iscariot? Was a media may call. Who bet you media fine? Would you mean you can have me? Never did catch all the say yes, when you put them in the Yas Saturday. Did you open 1 million one sacrament for a problem, mammy? Now the open one of blast open. Never my yellow. Yes, you say, well, who never marry us in part. Okay, that is a deeper baby as a soon been went me and Sacra Jesus or render useless. There will be one about useless nothing. To see how the what class. Who because I didn't put a cast like a see a dying. Then Uncle Possum useless. I didn't remember the cat near me, Jemeho. Post to Kuta and be a Sehanyago. I didn't Uncle Pocasamia, who named Fasoma, young woman, and maybe a simpanka. Papa, Mammy, and I would tell me. Who watch it now better as a muyas? Aha, you may think as a yes, you are cut to a track on the baby. It wouldn't pay you now that you will. Matthew chapter 27, verse 3, Echoes 5. Was there ever you that we need no man? And who is our good form? Or no, the meet and you take your son as a bread as a form penny phone. And in penny phone, sir. Maya Bonnie, some may see Moja, Bonnie Nimu, Mamma. And was it a fire home? Wow, sir, verse 5. Was it all told me to Tabranu? I saw them every home echoing. Now, I was saying a man, hey, what told me to Tabranu? Si can't do the yes, man, when to me and fuck up and to Pocompano. Mamma, for Mutiame. Krono obi twa wa bia na wa timu wiase kanti wuntimi sum nyame ebo wa wi ya be tai sikanti wa pu Yesu atontai this time am for you na aggressive because of business obi any time sum nyame obi any time so be sakra na bra ba mawurade hwede ma ya yo mo kanu kikani adiachi se nipa na me di make us ne to minim sa phone stations ahodo no a report Oba comment on it so many times. No who no crano. Sabi near my penti ni reality bebresi wentini sum Yesu dukwem. And then nipa be kwa sori a before be kwa sori a ne ye be to aba wode ne ho kokyere. Mu hu ise bi nie e ka no ho na mo to ma me. Ti asemi yo. Empanifo bi sikanti omdo ho be ma urade a wode ne ho so. Papa bi bisa o se wasaka wadwe ana. Mi bisa o se we do abra ba ma urade. Because a very call you on the jumping near Cocola. Judas, she can't to what the 2 years ago, when Timmy and Capre, and Yabi, over 2 million was no cost send one of the wheel. I said, be very assented in the Abram water. To your family, she can't, Papa be very asset. I mean, you can look at some. Papa be clear, we are so Sika, when you Sika said that. No, I am not going to say Sika Tonka. Yes, you are. What they call your bread Nipao. The be anywhere some was in Nipanka. Tiasami. So who come on some Jama Bebrapa? The Nipa baby has said one Sacrado. That of course and Kafa was or Paul Bampo who on Fasosan. Many things of your own acre. So what do we assume one thing young fire soccer and what Papa? To obey our thing who went to me one sacra. I'll pay one country, but yet no one thing. No one near 3 1 years or bind you or trouble something. Papa. What could you be? Hey, I saw the be. Look as a party group. I'm in trouble for the Abramo. See, assembly. Look chapter 12, verse 16. Was no better or the puppy or the force as a swabber pea. Now was a shooting to himself, many day. If we said me need them, I didn't know by every sea. Now I say, the American. Make you my son, Namasia Cassia, the department works in Rano, be the boo in my trim, if the crowd will tell them for goose or back, no may wear away my way one day, no my tongue Yamanako, no may be a jumbo in my trim, department at the TV as at this time, or news will be. Media Nippon watching a make on your neck. Yes, sir, we in my dear, what puna, dear, one sacra, dear, no watching was a young woman, maybe as in Panka. Because baby, I will call a chat and the more and your man who jump now. obi koto wo pe ensio ne nsatiam no ti obi dia bo nsuo nyum abeso ntetere ma so nsuo onya papa no nu so ba wiase obetuma kenka Luke chapter 16 verse 19 to 31 obehu sikani bi oba wiase ni sikanti je krofo yire eni oya krofo beti watum sesi a asra bebe wa kira wo so wo sika teo wo wi wo brari afa wo sakse ma do wo pesenka kama fo me bode wura me tetere mu habo ibi nanka wo mo asase so no mo sa suba enu no ko ma ma ne tibia no bi so kwaya mamu ama papa yesukuru wo ya uwati dipo ni papa ni wo obi o wi a o man ni sika ne wa nyensiesi wan ko tua ma bai wo wi a o man ni cash ne o man na japade ne wan fan ko no wu obe yeni aya jebi dan ko abu e kombo wo na dem no bi twe sika wo no wo ko da no di so obewu me pesa ni pa ni bia mu ni pa no so awie ye na duru ya ni abre pa do be pa ye suntaru ade be hunu mo body ne body ache so put him for say because their body papa there is no way of escape we yesu sing tell you be bia ni ho abefa ho be tonta ti asemi sikari na susu ntri meye say no onim sana duru obewu ti asemi yo verse 19 was na makama kira me kira say Luke chapter 12 Luke 12 verse 16 to 21 was na makama kira me kira say masiesie me niema ba ba matretre me nam dia me manwuma na me hu say company me na me boss no me wi amaka kira me kira say me disika be gu banks wi amanfo sika de gu banks ya tata so na dia o te condition ka mu sere o we be free air condition no fire condition one day I'm telling you we be free air condition to fire condition ya tell say we nya o je pokrata papa di pray na o be me de nya na sam na be ka wu achi airtime because Bible say wo no so di obewu be say me kai wo bi esi attachment la fitani pa wo didi wo ko mia dade bi o kaase ya ma life of welding machine no da ka mu ka also a conductor electricity to me from wo ko mia dade na se aduane wo nanum wo de spanner no e sha ase se wo mia mu anom so light no a gigi cream aduane ka da mu wo de ewu ko cha dia bi ni abra ye ni abra won papa nim da obewu it may happen some of you are cooking in your brain. Who could pay for? So when you come to Sabri, I could pay for. The papa bread, let me name the already the Koyaman at Boy for who watch to the Mania Breno. Mamma has said the poor be a sticker and I said the toy in the hour. And I am a safoda or an as a country biao. Such a watching yes of the was in your family. Carbonated no hoof to Bonnie away. Capture and so in your beam, necessarily so one fan chow. Ne frase pass for the papa na ko nya sorry fun asori papa nya sorry awutima na ne amanfo yaka nya sorry afofo kanya mesamu a ene bi preacher na sabe shankom asori ma se shankom o mo se de ya shankom ma mi preacher sha ya kokko then some fool any pattern so there na ni pastor e boshe he asabe bada bi papa sakrawa de wa ke wadi esu oba here verse 19 was the makama kira me kira se okra wo no ma papi a wo de asie ama emfirinhia pi home didi nom na abonto yam na hwe no odi so obewu e one verse 20 Luke chapter 12 verse 20 was the onyankopon ka kira sa sikani no sa minister no sa papa no sa maame no nyankopon ka kira sa okwasia anadwi wo beti okra fi wonsam tieni yo ube wana dwi obeju krafri wunsam na noma wasiesie na baya hwan dia sa sembu sa we me pese obi nyima no niema na wasiesie no ebaya hwan dia wuwati na verse 21 wose sa no de osisa japade ma no na onye wode fo onyankopon fam no etie wo ye siasa obi bia nyuma wo ye big boss enso fankrofo yire no wo wi sa we no what wo dipone enso se na mi ajewa yesu se Judas me ko na wo watiri no wo dia so nsom ya me mfa ho wo da ye tope na wo bewu na wo watiri no se wa mawia simpanka ye ya nwa mawia simpanka die be na sienti papa wo se wo nsom yesu wo nkwa die no kwa je botai no han da ba ba je wo nkwa free die ba num politics nti wo se wo ntimi nya da de suma urade What you meant, dear Trosa, me at Fabama, would you so be? A big echo will cross for Bico. What's it? To the American for 7 and maybe away another second. Nana Sumasi or Tossum, the Odicano way. The assembly, our rent or baby send any commercial of welcome for me, Sumyami. Mapu yes, make Jasore, or Babinti, or Bal our rent. Papa, our rent to come on something. Our Abredado would say yes here. Then say we have Bombo, could not on the way. From Assassin to Cosia, we are and consider to a time. So our intimate to slow run. Me when you are in a rather wall. So who flip of the nose? What would you be going to fanatical command? What would you be in a down fanatical command? Because I wanted the fact of what you never go on something. Book of 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 9 to 10 was now a sign for common something. Sure. One more I get you one here. No permanent did not quite decent to see how much I would be. Our reaches to be small rabbit. Of Abaya makeups and no cocoa near Tiara, the Nimo be painting to us after one call. Because of course of the boss. We are so for Papa be our back, can't wash them with Jaya. And then my other gas, someone natural being artificial ladies, we are also we are saying this time. One such as I know painting. Well, Nanui, I am mere come and Yaman one bread, or the color that to the near to very paintino, who had any mass wood. We are both by any being. Would you come to heaven? And whatever, but here will be a casa. Now, baby, the truth of benim, did the woman or her? Yeah, Sanmo, Niamo, and my own painting animal. And it will be treating Alcofa tissue. And it's dangerous. Sure, I said about you. Would you go to us? Lucas and Petit to be rich Temuso was a premium for a carry. God knows the number of hair. Now, I didn't obey us. What could to be was told the other who could see another who will be all. Who could Jezebel Abrabo, who could 2 Kings chapter 9, verse 22. Or Bamba is Robia Brabon and then Maya Nisiano. 2 Kings chapter 9, verse 22 and verse 30. Monkey cow who German for baby, anybody for baby. Said they're not dressing, and the money picking this time. When the summer money be this time. So I was fasting to me some years for the breakfast. And we ain't not doing. We so be a biaba. For from Canada crown else may buy into. What a traba on a who will be Jabba. Would you go from that can be your free bow? What will be so told me? Really torn to intimate so rather. Yes, you see, Judas may call. Now, who give me a man? Me not me deal, who give me a man? Now, young woman, we are simply. Tia Sabaya can you pass? This is two of some to me be anywhere saying and go for two. And so that I am full of the bread or when you are bosom. Be prepared. The pardon be presumed to bosom. And that TV should be able to so for Jaffa. Ubatiana FM for so bode wuro na na hwan hwan te mantia mo so mo tira bo so kwa urade so de katua bebrem ko so ko Romans chapter 1 o kan ni na ho wa oba support bo ni ni bia so de nyo katua ti di de hu aboso so for de wuro no ba ha ka tira bo so fu bia be kasa nti wo o boss ya ho ni ni nkomo ye bi ni so be ma so opportunity ba bia ko bi aje so ame pa ma. So what trouble so quite what did the Casa de Umate? Because Yanko Traboson Kawani command the charming ma, and maybe should throw what you so mine. The probably that say, never went to so intimate some years. But the Kabuswa, Bible say, young woman, we are simply. The assembly. Sure, I don't worship until the intimation rabbit, boyfriends, girlfriends, abortion. Nemaya yi pa ti mudia hi na nyi nsanyi ntuda ti asema ya kane yo to mo nam koi ade anu so ogbo a wo nurse ni bi wo bia hospital bi mu wo beti ma kwa me na yi ama na hospital no so do nurse ni so bi nyansa o ko sie nyina ne se wo do de be kum nipa na Bible say that shall not kill o ya ni tie che wura bu mu wadoma wura de Nyankopon bo o mu nyina wo ani tie ne ma manfo tipone Mammy Abrewa, what if you when you do palm, what a tea hammer, and my is here no member. Oba na ya kofa ba o na so kotete hahama no wo se fa bi kun fa bi tua ba bi sa ohina se no de de ma bia wewura ne hwini ne honam afa na akwara na sei wo sa bere wa hwede wo fi adura wo bi sa aduma wi wo be wo nche na wo be pie ho dato nipa wo tia se bi ne ani abere no me nya asema wo ye yiye wa ha na oni mu Yesu o mobo default for bu tie dia meka se sikadi na odi atia so na be je ana moa who deep on it was sumase. The abortion was sumase. Now we said, who can you to once? That's it when we have that time. The assembly, you only Pabane said they were on Honody. Now, should you obey you only Pabana man only? The obey Jesus Christ, only minimum the Kubia, a shoe quiet to see what means sacra. Papa, I dare say there's an old fear the hero. Mami who tell me can you be a chum? Well, my other was 6 for her said in university and never when we are. A wood a bopper, a wood bopper, and Chabako. He was also when he came to Suna over to anyway. A big couple in some gem, a bishop of heaven. When he came to Shabbat to an hour. I'm in town for phobia couple in some gem movie. I'm in town for unit a country. A Sababadabi. What is Akawa? We are papa. What community in Adia Pesca? Or we have that time. She can't do it to me and soon years to Judas. She can't do that. She ever told us all them all. What's in your one can and pan Tokoko Ed? Who bet bread out there when you make a bush one. Yet the second we are some best on some Subejago. The near the pub, a bush of 4 would yet the yarn that cast out this time because Nippon Pija. Nipa beja get a little push. Nipa be put them. Ni jam so nipa san ma chire bi. Di assembly yipa en che bi am no be bombai. Tradition e tie bi onu ba ko. Tradition e tie ga bi onu ba ko. En ti chemo mo che. Na so ni ba ho so nwumre pa bi very very careful. Asababa da bi. E di se be tie bi onu ba ko ti chemo mo che. Wo se na ehufo obi was the conquer montinin sakra mesum Yesu nti be conquer be mesum Yesu a bi fie ko betu be fifio so think kremosum montinin sakra okay obewu na wu akiri no etiri wa no ko fe Muhammad so mra mejo asabe bada Yesu ko a wo se gimbie ni wa obetima je nkwa wo se wo Yesu di ni sinche ofeli papa sakra wa de wato brabaji Yesu Kristo di fa Yesu sakra no wa je ko onu quality nyankopon yi na mawiase Bunko for fashion. Eduma wo ye obi ni car be what to pass ni bia ton na de fu bia sha na mu. Take wo repair. Obi di ni ma bre wo to ton na de fu bi asesem de amani pa no. O wi ye wo se na ehufo. Anyone na won yin nie e ka Yesu ho asem asem nya amasem. Fa na ya jare na beba Yesu beba. Anyone na won yin nie ene e tiwa de ofo. Hwe aha ma min tibire kakra. A chiwade for couple something. Mami called Deuteronomy 22, verse 5. Deuteronomy chapter 22, verse 5. Tia no kra na Awurade be hu mo wat. Tia no kra na Awurade be bo. Na ja tro na hu di akire no. O de wa ubenya sofo bia mere di tro akire wo. Di sofo na o te wa ke kan sam na ye sofo zo ye nko so ntwe mpona na me de onya o he. Ubewu na be hu. Me de me kan ko no bi wan kan na tina me te hawo. Share. Deuteronomy chapter 22, dear, and this cemetery do not back with Jamun was yet so dear for common subject. Now, Deuteronomy 22, verse 5 was so by so very bad, no by man so and flower bantoma. If it's a 1 hour yet, Yenuna, Yawadi, Unyanko point 2 a year. He did it. Charles 7, the Yedi Pepakuri. The assembly you make a house number on Payama Sanmako. Be very careful with your life. Who put years of Papa bread? And then I make out when we are who were Jesus and American. It was a Judas. They called such a was woman there, so put me open me a bread. Was it a 2 hour for? Any I do two for what 2 couldn't do and have a store in the field. Any I was on so for a comfort, I was on so for any I told for who dear Jum Sigana to chat for who said, will be certificate not the elder. Would you wait? I saw them your elder. A jar of mouse. Was so many na be o mo chefa e wo otade a oja ene sofi e dead mu no mu yeyi ene o bre no no Ameno bompa e wato. Ewurade me da wase enana fi. So de onam wato ye so do nsem ante sabre. Pompa ye sabre se wani munyam bebre bi Nyankopɔn. Minim sa so no de wo obi de wotie. Em so odwane ade ne kra nkwa. Me pompa ye sa obasa kese ne be to kra bi aso. Wadane aba bi nsa kyerem. Wankoto bo nsam gem da ache. Me da wase se wotie mi wo Yesu di mu nti.
Asole. Ça passe ça,